Are you ready to say goodbye to all your students' living worries? Look no further, because Falkland House Student Accommodation is here to save the day. Nestled on the trendy Falkland Street, this accommodation offers a wide range of modern studios and en-suites that are perfect for students. Sink into the cozy beds after a long day and conquer your studies in the private study space with a whiteboard to keep you on top of your game. When you need a break, take advantage of the on-site laundry facility, games room, and common lounge where you can meet new friends and enjoy some downtime. Step outside, and you're only minutes away from the University of Liverpool and Liverpool John Moores University. After class, head over to Domino's for some pizza or check out Hiki Restaurant for some amazing sesame prawn toast and boiled pork dumplings. Did we mention the inclusive bill policy? You can say goodbye to annoying utility bills and hello to hassle-free living. Plus, with round-the-clock Wi-Fi, you can stay connected with friends and family back home. So don't wait. Book your spot today through amberstudent.com and get ready to experience a living experience like no other at Falkland House.